for work?
I'm a school bus driver.
Oh.
When a button lights up red, either player may press it and swap out their date for a new person.
Get out of here.
If 2 people can last on a date for 10 minutes, they win an all expenses paid second date.
This is the button. Okay, out of your hand. This is the chair. There you go.
Oh,
Hello.
hi.
Hi.
All right, I'm Milton.
I'm Mia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Milton has a type. I have here thick, sassy, sense of humor.
Me nah say nothing, dog. Yo, stop the foolishness, man. For stopping my youth. Me nah say nothing still.
So what do you do for work?
I'm a school bus driver.
Oh.
Never see her reach her free button so quick. You see her man did hesitant for say what he do.
I'm a school bus driver.
You know, say I know one of the most sought after type of jobs where people look to. The money have to come from somewhere. How you gonna put food on the table? How you gonna pay for food for your rent and something if you're not no job? You man at work. You should be happy.
Hi.
Ask her, why did you reject me?
Why did you?
I just wasn't feeling the spark. Didn't feel like coming.
This needs to stop now. This is not okay.
Yo, number 4, he can't lie. Stop the foolishness, man. Yo, man, I like that lie there, no, brother. Yo, they lie, they give me beef, no, brother. Man say, I'm a bus driver. That's literally the only reason why she skip him. Stop the foolishness, but you don't feel no spark. Or if you feel spark, if you didn't even talk to the man for 5 minutes. Or if you not feel no spark.
Got the
Do you
M
regret
necklace.
it now that you see him?
He's very handsome, but stay where I stand with. Just didn't feel the flow.
Didn't you not feel no flow because no, you don't want no bus driver. Just say that.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Craig. I have my hand out for. No?
Oh, there it is.
There you go.
Nice to meet you.
What do you like to do for fun?
I am really open to trying anything new. I'm pretty new to the area. Right now, it's mostly been like hitting as many different breweries to try as I can because I think that's really cool.
Okay.
Craig owns a bar.
Oh, love that, Craig.
I do. A lot of my time is spent around like breweries and wineries and alcohol and stuff like that.
Completely get that. I just started a new job recently and I work in the beer industry now, so it's been a lot of stopping at bars and things like that. So it's become a workplace for me.
Wait, and what kind of job do you have in the beer industry?
So I work in marketing, so I'm a brand manager.
So when you're dating, what age group do you normally kind of stick to?
I usually go older, so my age range is usually like 22 to 32 kind of thing. I'm at the bottom of that.
I'm 39.
Okay.
And then to be totally transparent, I have 2 kids and I'm divorced.
Oh, you out of here. You out of here. You out. You know what bet me? Say as soon as the button ready for go off. As soon as they say, you room, may I tell her right now.
I am so sorry. I actually have tried going out with someone with kids before and it just really isn't right for me right now.
Totally get it.
Don't work.
I understand. It's like it's a lot.
It's such a pleasure to meet you though.
Pleasure. Good luck tonight.
Thank you. Damn. Really thought I had the bar on her.
So weird. So all of them can just sit down in a one. Many even know say I saw you go. So they sit in an area and they talk to each other about who they just saw. But then what the point of the blindfold? On a blind date this then if the man them can see the girl and then they can come back to the group and tell them what they see. I don't really want blind, I don't want blind date this then.
Go take next. Hi.
Hi.
Can I get a hug?
And where are you? Put your hands up.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Okay.
Hi, I'm Lovely to meet you. Nice to meet you. How are we doing?
I'm great. Thanks for getting me off my feet, move around a little bit.
Yeah. I'm just kind of having a good time today. It's nice. What do you find yourself doing in your leisure time?
I love watching television and film. I studied film for a really long time.
Okay.
So
Guilty pleasures?
I always say like my #1 guilty pleasure show is Riverdale. I will never recommend anyone watch the show.
Okay. Sorry.
Aggressive slam, no worries.
Shit. The man slammed the button with maximum efficiency. Let me tell you what happened. The hug. From the moment the man asked for the hug, bro, he did want to see how he hand, how he wrap around her. You have to see how he wrap around her first, right? He didn't like all that. You see me? The man I look for something like, let me show you, the man I look for something like this. You see me? He not look for all of this. Because all of that the man really get. You know the point on there.
So sorry. You were lovely.
Thank you.
But yes.
Was it the Riverdale?
I'm gonna be very candid with you. We have a little bit of a bromance back there, and so I kind of did it for the boys.
Report back to the boys that.
See? You see what I mean? He said he did it for the boys. I sent him my word.
Down, okay? Have a good one.
Oh no, I just heard a big gasp from the gal room.
You wanna go back there and
Down
talk to
number
each other?
one. Hi, I'm Nathan.
Hello.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you. I'm Sam. Samantha.
How are you doing today?
But Kia mama, which anime character this now? I Bleach this? You know, say me I watch Bleach. I'm currently watching Bleach. Demon Slayer? Me no know, yeah man, me no know.
What is something that you watch by yourself that's a guilty pleasure that you don't tell anybody?
I mean, I watch a lot of anime,
I would have never guessed. I would have
of Asian shows like Korean dramas.
What is your type?
I'm definitely very into Asian men. It's not like a deal breaker or anything.
What race do you think I am?
I have no idea. I don't want to make assumptions.
You want to take a guess?
I would say like maybe white to Asian, maybe.
I am Asian, actually.
Oh.
Yeah. Can we hug?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh my god, the hugs. The hugs, not the hug. Yo, bro, God. Yo, dog. Then my girl, I need to stop giving him hugs. Stop giving him hugs, bro. The hugs, them not working. The hugs, them is the big giveaway.
Bye, Nathan.
We get along on a lot of different topics, but I felt that it was something where I could become a really good friend with you.
Yeah, yeah.
That's just kind of a gut feeling for me.
No, that's totally valid. Yeah.
Yeah.
Plus.
Okay, I can't see anything because I don't have my glasses on.
Bye, Sam.
Goodbye.
I feel so bad.
No, you don't. No, you don't. You don't really feel that bad.
And then right afterwards we hugged. Oh, he sat down, butts to me, and running away. Hi.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. My name's Nathan. What's your name?
Damn, she looking kind of timid. She's looking kind of scared right now.
What is your drink of
Amy
choice?
is wifey material.
What makes someone wifey material?
I just really like to take care of my man. Like, I like to spoil him. I mean, I obviously like expect the same energy back, but I can cook really well.
Oh, what do you love to cook?
Steak dinner with like shrimp and like
Oh, wow. Surf and turf? Wow, that is very fancy.
mashed potatoes.
Nathan models.
Oh, are you your model?
Oh, I don't. Where did you guys get that information? What?
How tall are you?
How tall do you think I am?
I'm thinking like 5'11".
Do you want to give me a hug and see how tall I am?
No, nigga. No, nobody wants to hug you no more. They all know the game. You got caught. You got caught. They know what you about.
Not right now.
Why did you press the button?
It's just like wasn't the vibe.
You know, I can respect that.
You have really nice hair.
Oh, thank you. You as well.
It was nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you as well.
Okay, bye.
This is the kind of game we playing. See, this is it. So we playing the petty game now.
21.
Okay.
Amy is dating to marry. Are you ready to get married, Donovan?
I don't mind marriage. I really don't. It depends how like certain time with what it does
course,
and everything.
yeah.
So yeah, where it leads.
Yeah, I'm obviously not dating like to like marry right away.
Amy wants 3 kids.
3 is a little too much. I got it. 2 would be fine. 3 is like.
Is it like you don't make enough?
So because the man said, you know, I have 3 kids, you automatically jump to, you know no money. Me bumbo clot. Brother, the girl just diss you on the sites. She just diss you on the sites, brother.
No, it's not that. I don't mind it. My mom had a 1 out of 6. I'm the oldest out of the 6. It's like hectic enough how my mom is.
We're gonna bring in this next date.
It's nice meeting you,
Nice
though.
to meet you too.
What is your type?
Look-wise, my type has been all over the board. I definitely love people who are like athletic and into the gym. I love like manly men who
What's up with her lip? Am I the only one bugging? Is her lip kind of funny to you? Her top lip, at least.
can like, you know, let me feel more relaxed and like
So protective.
that's just my type.
Yeah, I do work out and everything, so it's just part of my regimen. I do every
Let
single
her feel your arms.
I heard my
Okay,
arms out.
where are
My
your
arms out.
arms? Okay. Okay, you seem strong. What do you like to work out in the gym?
So honestly, I work out every particular muscle twice a week. I would say my favorite one I like to do is chest.
Where is it?
It's right there.
Can I feel your face?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. I like the buzz cut.
Oh, thanks.
Are
Okay.
you two connecting?
I mean, she's already had my arms.
Yeah,
my
we're
chest.
getting touchy.
I feel like I basically already know you.
Blindfolds off in 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
You're not what I expected you to
Really?
be, honestly. Yeah.
What does
Are
that
you
mean?
two gonna go on a second date?
I'm so sorry.
That's what she means when she said, you're not what I expected you to be. You're not. As in, you're ugly. Why?
Why did you reject him?
I just want to see like what other vibes are there. Just
Okay.
for the
The man ugly. Just say man ugly, dog. Just say man ugly, not your type. Just say that, brother. Don't jump around hoops. Stop jump around the corner, brother. Stop go down the stairs and then come back up the stairs 15 minutes later, brother. Stop doing that. Just simply say, yo, I'm not attracted to him.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Devontae.
Are you wearing a face mask over your eyes?
Am I?
Are you not?
I think this is what they gave me, okay? Wait, how do I look? Do I look good?
Whatever works.
The man really are wearing one face mask over here. Yo. Some of them style thing. My drive for beat. My drive for cut round. My drive for go around the corner.
Honestly.
Do you like the smell of each other? Give each other a little whiff.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. You smell like body wash.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice perfume. What is that, lotion?
It's a bum bum cream.
Bum bum cream.
Oh, what?
For your bum.
You gotta moisturize some cheeks, you know?
Yeah.
Your voice,
Yeah.
it's really calm.
Thank you.
And it's soft.
What are you doing after this?
I don't know. What about you? You trying to find out?
Okay. Alright.
Are you ready to see each other?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Oh my god.
Hello.
You're cute.
Oh, stop. You're hella pretty. I like the eyeliner with the blue.
Thank you.
You have a really nice smile. Okay.
Are you gonna commit to a second date?
I feel like we could. Unless I'm wrong.
No, I would like that.
You're pretty comfortable so far.
Yeah.
And you're not making me nervous.
You know, whenever people say like, oh, I got butterflies, I feel like that's a sign that your body's rejecting them.
How you doing?
Second date?
The lady's comfortable with it. I am.
Yeah.
Alright.
I would enjoy that.
Congratulations.
Yeah, two wanna go link up and go make go and make, you know, fucking persuasion babies or whatever. Anyways, I hate that few video. Videos will be coming back slowly but surely. I just recently got a laptop, so the laptop will help me to edit without me having to be in the, you know, in an area, yes, though. Because sometimes me just don't want to sit here and edit, you know what I'm saying? I want to go outside, be somewhere else and, you know, do me like a edit them. So with that said, it's looking good. It's looking good. You know what I'm saying? Until next time, make sure you take care of yourself. Make sure you drink all the water, and we see you on the next one. We're gone.